Hello to you. I'm Jesse R. Johnson. I'll be speaking to you today about heliocentric religion, planets impossible to see millions of miles away with the naked eye. Most humans never consider just how deeply brainwashed they are by the heliocentric religion, taking impossible things to be reality, taught to them by the system. Once you see the truth, you cannot be fooled in that area again. Once you see that the earth is flat, not ball-shaped, and that you've been lied to all of your life, you're glad for the truth. We see stars and planets in the night sky all the time, but because of the depth of the brainwashing, we miss seeing that it is an impossibility to see stars or planets given the numbers in millions of miles away, written in virtually every astronomy book, magazine, and so on about them. There are two ways in which a thing appears small to our eyes. One, the thing is physically smaller than our physical body. Number two, the thing is far or very far away. Our eyes are not microscope or telescope machines. Our eyes are living things made of living things. Modern astronomy is a lie. It is a monstrous lie. The heliocentric religion's universe is a lie. Heliocentrism is, in fact, a religion, and we've been taught the heliocentric religion all our lives, and we believe it, except for those who call themselves flat earthers who have some basic truths. No, not all truths, no, but some basic truths. What are called planets cannot be seen from this earth by the naked eye, based on the numbers in millions of miles away from Earth that are in almost every astronomy book and other media. It is a blatant and gross impossibility. To begin, this is what the heliocentric religion states. This is A. These are the so-called planets. Their distances from the sun in millions of miles, except for our moon, which is number 3. Their distances from the earth in millions of miles, and their diameters in thousands of miles. Now, Mercury is 36 million miles from the sun. Well, first off, K equals thousands, M equals millions, and X equals magnification. Number 1, Mercury is 36 million miles from the sun. So the heliocentric religion says 57 million miles from the earth, and Mercury is 3,032 miles in diameter. Venus is 67.2 million miles from the sun, and 25.8 million miles from Earth, and it's 7,521 miles in diameter. The Earth, of course, is 93 million miles, along with our moon, 93 million miles, so the heliocentric religion states. And the Earth is supposedly 7,926 miles in diameter. And as you can see, as you go down the list, you can see how far each astro body is away from the sun, and how far it is away from the earth, and its diameter in thousands of miles. Now, all the way to number 10, which is Eris, which is supposedly 6,200.1 million miles from the sun, or 6.2 billion miles away from the sun, roughly 6,100 to 6,100 millions of miles from Earth, or 6.1 billion miles from Earth. It is supposedly 1,678 miles in diameter. Now, this is B. This, as you can see, this here, this drawing represents the diameter of any planet or any astrobody in our solar system and the distance it is from an observer on the Earth at position A in the middle of the page. Position A is where an observer is on Earth, while the astrobody is at position B. The diameter of A to B is equal to the diameter of the astrobody, which is equal to 1x magnification, because the human eye has only 1x magnifying power. Any astrobody can be used. To show how to calculate the magnification, let's use Mercury. Mercury's diameter is supposedly 3,032 miles. So the distance between A and B is 3,032 miles and therefore appears at 1x magnification to the observer on Earth. Now, if the astrobody, Mercury in this case, is pushed away at 2 times 3,032 miles, it equals 2x smaller in appearance, whatever that may look like. For each 3,032 miles it is pushed away, it equals an added 1x in smallness to the observer, so that 1,000,000 miles divided by 3,032 equals 329.8x in magnification smallness. Since Mercury is supposed to be 36 million miles from the sun, and Earth is 93 million miles from the sun, then 93 million minus 36 million equals 57 million. So 329.8x times 57 equals 18,800x. No human eye can see something this small, which requires 18,800x magnifying power to even be seen. Now, this is how to calculate the magnification smallness appearance of any astrobody to the human eye. Number one, if we take Mercury once again at 3,032 miles in diameter, which equals 1x magnification to the human eye. 2. Divide 1,000,000 miles by the astrobody's diameter. 3. 1,000,000 divided by 3,032 equals 329.8x. This is Mercury's diameter. Number 4. Multiply 329.8 times 57, that's millions of miles from Earth, that is, 329.8x, 329.8 times 57 equals 18,800x. Number 5, 18,800x to see Mercury from Earth. This is the magnification it would take to see this astrobody. All astrobodies are calculated in this way. Now, let's continue. Let's continue. This is the so-called planets' magnifications as seen from Earth. Per million miles, it's 3 for Mercury, is 329.8x. The magnification you would have to need from Earth would be 18,800x. Venus is 133 per million miles, x. One per million miles is 133x, which means the magnification from Earth would be 3,428.8x. The Earth, of course, is 0, and therefore magnification is 0 since you're on the Earth. The Moon, on the other hand, is, though the Moon is 239,000 miles, therefore you divide the amount of miles by the moon's diameter, and you'll come out with 110.4x. This is the amount of magnifying power you would need to see the moon. The Mars, as you can see, all of them, just simply stop the video to recognize all of these powers, magnifying powers of x. Number 10, Aries, I left that for everyone to use in order to figure out for themselves. As you can see, number 9, Pluto, at per million miles, when you divide its diameter into 1 million is 673x. Magnification from Earth, it would take 2,407,994x to even see it. None would be seeable. It's impossible to see anything this small, no matter how bright it shines. This fact applies to stars also. If you can't see them, then people hundreds to thousands of years past couldn't. The heliocentric religion is utter falsehood. And I want to thank everyone for listening and watching, and have a good day.